channel. So today's video is my first unboxing and I thought it would be the perfect occasion since Christmas is coming very soon. So let's start. The unboxing is today with Coach. So I have two boxes with me. Basically this one is a bag. It was a little gift from someone very special and this is why I have a card. And this one is so basically this one is shoes, more specifically trainers. I literally waited a month to have them, so basically it was sold out everywhere and I had to call customer service and order them 1 month in advance, and I literally just got them. By the way, they have an amazing customer service, so I just wanted to mention that. I think we are going to start with the trainers. So the one thing I love about Coach is the packaging. I am obsessed with packaging, as you may already know, so packaging is a really big thing for me. So this one is like a cardboard and it's like textured, and this is something I really like, and I just absolutely love this detail here. I think it just makes everything prettier, and especially that Christmas is coming, I think it's honestly the perfect gift to give to someone. So I think we're gonna start opening it now. I'm very nervous because I've never seen them and I've never tried them before, so hopefully they fit and they are exactly as I would imagine. So let's start. So we're gonna open this. I would love to keep this, so I'm gonna try to be careful and not ruin it. So we'll see. I think this can work to keep my things perfect. There we go. See, that way if you want to use the this thing again, you can. It's not ruined, so I'm going to keep it and I'm going to be very careful with it. So there you go. Let's see what's inside. Okay, this is a little the footwear care booklet, so that's nice. This is not perfect though. This is something that is very, I don't know, it's a bit, it bothers me, but I'm not going to say anything for today. Oh my god. There you go. So this is the trainers I really wanted. So the exact style is, I think, the C143 Runner from Coach. So yeah, so basically it's light pink, and then you have a bit of suede here, and then you have like a texture light pink that is very weird. It's like plastic a bit. This is leather. It's a different kind of pink, which, by the way, this is probably my favorite kind of color for pink. It's, I don't know, it's a bit more neutral. And then what I like is that they give you this, and every time I have a pair of shoes that is slightly more expensive, I actually always use this. Even for my bag, if they give me like paper like this, I always stop them to make sure they keep being nice and perfect, and that the shape stays the same. Okay, I'm so excited. So it's chunky. Obviously it's not as chunky as the Balenciaga trainers. I'm not a fan of the Balenciaga one, by the way, so I'm very picky when it comes to trainers. So I was very happy when I saw these, because they're actually, I find they're quite perfect. They're not as intense as the Balenciaga one. They're a bit more subtle, but I think this is perfect. So there you go. This is it. Like I said, I'm going to do close-up for you to actually see everything. You have a nice detail here. It's leather, so this is really nice. You need to know that I was not a fan of Coach before. I actually said that I would never buy anything from them, but it's been, I think, 2-3 years. They've really stepped up their game, and I can't, you know, I can't say anything bad about them anymore. I'm actually obsessed with the brand. They made some changes to literally everything, the design, the aesthetic, so everything is now, you know, super nice. So yeah, I'm excited to try them because hopefully they fit, because I feel like they don't, so we'll see. Now, the bag, the most important part, the bag. Let's start. This, you need to know, is the Selena Gomez collaboration. So I said that I would never buy Coach, especially not the Selena Gomez collection. But turns out that the Selena Gomez collection is probably the nicest of all. It's beautiful. Anything she did was absolutely beautiful. Even the she made some silk dresses, and it was just gorgeous. So I'm so surprised about the Selena Gomez collection. It's actually the nicest, and I think they've been doing it for a while now. They didn't just do one collection, they did a couple. So I decided to buy one of her bag. The name is the Selena Trail bag, if I'm not mistaken, but like I mentioned, I'm going to write down everything to make sure you get if you want to buy the exact same thing, you can actually find it easily. So it's a very small bag. It's kind of funny, but at first I thought it was a cosmetic bag, but it's not, and it's an actual bag. And the best part with Coach is that you can actually do personalized bag now, so you can actually write down your initial, which I did. So we'll see, and I don't know if it's going to be nice. Hopefully it is, because when you personalize everything, you can't bring it back. So I didn't know that before, so I'm just mentioning that because if you want to personalize your item, and if you buy online, I suggest that you buy your item first, and then you can just go in the store and do it. Because if you buy it and you don't like it, then you can't do anything about it. I didn't know that before, so just be careful with that. Just order your item first, and then once you're sure you want to keep it, then go to the store and they're going to personalize it for you. So let's open it. So same thing here, I'm going to keep the little bow here because I really like it. I'm just going to be very careful. Okay, voila. So same box, just a different color for the ribbon. Oh, this is actually nicer. Yeah, see, I have this. In the other one I didn't have a little sticker. So I'm just gonna open this. Okay. Oh, this is nice. Okay, so see, it's very small. So one thing I like when I order a bag is, first of all, I want a box with it because I want to protect it every single time. Then I want the dust bag. So I want a small bag to protect it. I think it's, you know, a very cheap thing to give to your customer, but it does make a difference. At least for me, I think it's so important when you have a bag that you pay a bit, you know, this one is not very pricey, but I mean, you know, it's still a bit more expensive than my usual bag, so it's always nice to have a small dust bag to protect it. So let's open it. There you go. It's so tiny, it's so small, but I love it. I'm in love with it. So you have, oh, this is nice. So in the back she wrote, so it's gold, she wrote, "Not perfect, always me," which I find is, you know, something that represents her quite well. So it's a small, you know, like I said, it does look like a cosmetic bag. I'm just gonna remove this. So it's black inside. I thought it was burgundy for some reason, I don't know why, but it's actually black. And oh, you have this as well. So if you want to use it as a crossbody bag, then you can. Ow! Oh my god, this is the personalized. Okay, so see, for I personalized it with my initials, so NB, and I added a small dinosaur to it. The dinosaur is basically representing Coach these days. You know, they've been using it for a couple of their things like knitwear and stuff, but the dinosaur is actually a very personal thing for me, so I was quite happy when I saw it. That's why I added it. It's very personal, but it also represents Coach very well. And you can adjust it here because this is a bit long, so you can put it shorter if you want. And it's kind of a good quality, to be honest, because it's a bit hard, you know, it's not soft leather. So I feel like it's perfect. I actually really like the fact that she wrote "Not perfect, always me." I don't know, I just really like this small detail, but it does make a difference. This I absolutely like because you have some, you know, so here it's written Selena Gomez. Then you have the Coach logo here, and then you have a small bow here. I think that's really interesting. And what I like about Coach is that they did some key charm as well, so I'm obviously going to buy one and add one to the bag. I also have a small silk scarf from Coach, I didn't know what to do with it. It's leopard, so I think it will be perfect for this bag. So I think it's very, it's very simple, but if you want to add a bit of color or just, make it your own, just add a small key charm or just a very, beautiful scarf. I think it would be perfect. And I think I'm going to use this bag with almost everything for the winter. And hopefully it goes with the trainers I bought, so we'll see. I'm not sure. I think there's a way to make them work together, so this will be my challenge for the month, but we'll see. Honestly, I feel like they're quite big, so I don't know if they're gonna fit. I'm honestly crossing my finger here. We'll see. So there you go, that was it. I just wanted to do a small unboxing with you because it's Christmas time and I feel like it's perfect for Christmas. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you want to see more videos, and if you have any ideas or something you would like to see, just let me know. A little thumbs up as well is always appreciated. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you very soon.